Welcome to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. We are going to see the DQL command select and where class. So already we have an introduction to where class in delete from then DML commands and all. We have certain DDL commands also. We have used this where class. So what is the use of where class? If you want to apply a condition, you want to specify a condition and you have to filter some tuples which are satisfying that condition alone, then you use the where class. So how you will be using the where class at the end, where you will be giving the column name, then is equal to which value, like that you will be specifying. So make sure if it is a textual value like a character, varchar, you have to enclose them in quotes. So in DML commands, while you are inserting, what are the values you inserted using quotes, the same quotes you have to follow here as well. So now we'll see an example for this where class. So this is my employee table. I have selected the entire table. So if I'm not using where class, select star from employee, the entire tuples will be listed like this. Now I want to select the employee detail of the employee whose ID is 118. So where is the condition? So employee ID is the column name is equal to 118. So the particular person's record alone will be displayed. Suppose I want, instead of this ID, I want to select with name. I want to apply the condition with name. I can have like select star from employee where name is equal to Priya. So only the details of Priya is displayed here. So where condition is helpful for you to apply a filter. You can give a condition and which tuples are satisfying this condition, that tuples alone has to be listed. Suppose I am giving like select star from employee where place is equal to Goa. So here how many tuples are satisfying that? Two employees are from Goa. So I got two answer in the result cell, two tuples in the result set I have got. So the matching tuple or tuples will be listed when you are giving where along with select. So this is the where class. So we have used equal to. Apart from equal to, you can use less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to symbols. Then between and in, like. So these are the operators which you can use with where class. So in this video till not equal to we will be seeing. In the next part of the video we will be seeing the last three. So now we'll see the relational operator less than and greater than. So I want the details of the employees whose age is greater than 25. So how I would be giving select star from employee where age is greater than 25. So wait, I'll display all the employee details, then only manually you can check. So here see, this is the entire employee list. So only two persons are having age greater than 25. It is displayed correctly. So if you are putting greater than 25, it will not include 25. Only the values about 25. It will not include 25. If you want to include 25, you have to put greater than equal to. Select star from employee where age is greater than or equal to 25 means. So the record which is satisfying the age limit as 25 will also be displayed. So this is greater than. Same way you can have for less than also. So for less than, find the tuple which satisfies or which has the score less than 85. Both less than 85 and less than equal to 85 will see. So select star from employee where score is less than 85. So 85 will not be included. If you are putting less than equal to 85 will be included. So the score less than 85 is this. Less than equal to 85 is this. Same way you can also have not equal to. So not equal to. First let me have score is equal to some 91. So I'm having one tuple. So out of 10, only one record is satisfying the score equal to 91. Now I want to have not equal to, means I can do it in two ways. The first way is I can put an exclamatory equal to. So exclamatory equal to means not equal to. The other symbol which you can use is less than, greater than, together. So both the record will display the content which is not equal to this. So totally 9 records, same answer. So not equal to can be applied with exclamatory equal to. This is also the symbol. Less than, greater than, this is also symbols. In certain versions, both the symbols will be working. In certain versions, any one symbol only will be working. So you check in your installed SQL which is working like that. You check and see. There are 3 more operators in, between, and like, which we will be seeing in the next video. So stay tuned to Magic CSE by Eezytutorials. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSE by Eezytutorials. Thank you.